Hey team, I just want to do a really quick video on how to access some of the information that you may have come across during training, or if you just want to dig in a little bit deeper and kind of find a little more info about coaching. So I'm on our team page, Team Own My Tone, and the pin post, which is always going to be at the top of the page. And if you are using a smartphone, you'll actually see at the top of the page, it'll say pinned post, and you click on that. But it'll show you exactly how to access this album section that I'm getting ready to show everybody. So it tells you how to get there. And then I took a little image, a little picture to kind of show you what it looks like. So what you'll do is right up here at the top, you'll click Photos. Now, if you're on an iPhone or a smartphone, you will actually click More, and then you'll click Group Info, and then you can click Photos. And then from there, you can also click Albums. So the albums is where you're going to find all this information. So we got 21 albums here. So challenge group callouts. So you can actually go through and look at different challenge group callouts from members of our team. And then when you click on them, you can actually read what they wrote along with this post. And this should give you all some really great ideas of what you should be posting on social media when you're going to do either a free group call out or even for an actual program call out, like our 21-day challenge. So we'll go back here. Oop, it took me all the way back. That's okay. We'll just click Photos again, then Albums. Send the link. That is another album that will tell you how to use coaching codes if you need to send somebody a link in order to order something. And then there's just a lot of other great information. It talks about the leadership ladder. Again, that's just info that's going to be digging in a little bit deeper. The 21-day fix challenge group, all the information, daily posts, recipes, and everything is going to be located in this album section. So, you know that you got your daily post, you got your images for the recipes, you got your pre-week document for those challengers that are wanting to start the 21-day fix early. And then you actually have my review handy if you wanted to send somebody a 21-day fix review. And then we also have like the new coach webinar. So and the new coach webinar is actually a webinar that was put together by one of the top teams in the company. It's a really, really great webinar. It is a little over an hour, so it can be a little lengthy, but it's definitely worth a listen. I would just kind of break it down into sections. Another one about time management. And then each one of these images that you click on, usually it's going to have several different images of things that you can go through and look at. How to use samples, how to talk about Shakeology and breastfeeding. So there's just a lot of really, really great information right here on our team page at the touch of your all's fingertips. So we even touch on Success Club. And here's another really cool thing I want to show you guys. Phase 1 training for a new coach. Guess what? You can go through and actually look at every single day daily posts for that phase 1 training. So this is really handy again for you guys to be able to go back in there and kind of review all the information. So I just wanted to make sure that I went over this with you all as training is kind of wrapping up. And that way you can kind of take a look at this. Again, this is on our team page, Team Own My Tone. It's in the album section. You access that by going to Photos, then clicking Albums. So I hope you guys found this really helpful, and I hope you're enjoying your training.